Hi guys, summer is officially here, my favorite time of the year. छाँव में थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, पसीने से मूछें बन गई मेरी, कितनी धूप है यार, बहुत गर्मी है. So tomorrow I am planning to go to a beach, enjoy my breakfast over there, have a good time, explore the city. I have been living in Bombay for the last 8 years now, and as a photographer I have seen so many places because of course I shoot outdoors and I get to see all these places naturally. So from now onwards in my vlogs I'm going to show you those places as well. Come with me.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away.
Good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. right now. Slight change in the plan. I am thinking of going to the beach after having my breakfast at home. My breakfast is my protein shake. I do intermittent fasting every day. So yesterday I had my dinner by 5:30 around. So it's already 12 hours. I'm slightly hungry. I will be having my protein shake at home, so I still feel up and running to make content for you guys because I'm planning to go to the beach by 6:30 and nothing will be open by then. So yeah, let's go. So I'm ready for the beach. Here are my beachy cute earrings. I'm wearing this top and my pajama, which I might be able to show you at the beach. Lip gloss, hairband, house keys. Keeping this in my jhola. A small bed sheet so I can sit at the beach. Am I forgetting anything? Am I forgetting anything? I don't know. I think I should keep a book with me. What if I feel like reading? Let's not. It's 5 minutes to go. The driver will be here. Let's finish this quick. It's Sunday morning and lot many things are happening here. People are playing disc. One person, it's really funny. One person who is really fat. Okay, I don't know what else to call because they are calling each other fat and slim. I don't know. In Hindi, they call it jadiya. The person who's really slim, they call it a patliya, a jadiya. they have no body shaming issues, guys. It's so much fun to come to the beach on a Sunday morning. You get to see a lot of characters. It's really funny. The spirit of Bombay. Loving the city. People have started coming now. I'm so happy that I came here early and got to enjoy the little bit of an empty beach. If you're from Bombay, you know how hard it is to find an empty beach in Bombay, specifically Juhu is never empty. Oh my god, look at the sunrise behind me. No. Now it feels like good morning. I have no makeup on, guys, and this sunlight is making me look like a diva. Beautiful. By the way, I am in love with Mumbai Sundays because it's so much traffic on the other days that you end up appreciating the Sunday. Everything is closed. Can't even get a water bottle, guys. No worries, I'll find out something. It's a church in Juhu near Juhu Beach. Something is happening inside. If they are giving food, I would like to go in. Okay, I have to keep reminding myself that I am not really hungry. I'm just thirsty. Because I know myself, I have taken my protein shake. I should not be hungry for next 3-4 hours. Because that's how it works every day. And if I don't drink water, then I feel like I'm hungry. But the moment I drink water, I don't feel hungry anymore. Hunt for the water and not for the food, Manisha. Remember. Wait, there is one pan tapri here. Maybe he has water. Let me check. Yeah. Hope. दादा पानी का बॉटल है आपके पास? अरे वाह, थैंक गॉड. ये रख दो 2 मिनट या 10 वाला दे दो ना एक. हाँ चलेगा, ठंडा नहीं चाहिए. फाइनली Do I still feel hungry? No. Just water. I needed water. Prithvi Theatre is a very old theatre where really big performers perform. Really good plays happen there. Last time I watched a play there, it was amazing. If you're visiting Bombay from somewhere else, Prithvi Theatre is something you should experience at least once. And they have cafe as well, so you can sit, eat. They give a lot of food, by the way. I can't even finish that food. Alright, and Prithvi Cafe is nearby Juhu Beach, so you can enjoy the beach, go to the theatre. Pretty awesome actually. That's how you enter. Let's go. इतना सारा सामान लेके जो मैं यहाँ वहाँ घूम रही हूँ just to make sure that you get to see little bit more stuff with me. देख रहे हो, tripod, this bag, that bag. Dedication is too much. Subscribe करो जल्दी. Like तो go. कर लो यार. Oh, everything seems close. Anyways, at least you got to see the cafe. It's beautiful. If you are someone who is interested in performing in plays and stuff, they have workshop as well. I can't believe this lighting. Look at this. It's all about lighting, guys. Look at this. I can't believe my face when the lighting hits it. Oh my god. Pretty. There are multiple ways to enter Juhu Beach. My god, look at this. You look at this first. Mumbai is beautiful. Specifically on Sunday morning. No traffic. Yeah, so what I was saying, there are multiple ways to enter Juhu Beach. Where I was sitting, I entered the beach from Novotel area. This is another area. There are so many passages. If you go straight, you hit the beach again. Now, the main Juhu Beach, which is called Juhu Chowpatty, we are walking towards that. Most of the crowd that you see at Juhu Chowpatty. So that's why I never go to Juhu Chowpatty. If you want to enjoy Juhu Beach without the crowd, you never go to Juhu Chowpatty. You always go a little bit ahead towards the Novotel hotel. छाँव में थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत गर्मी है. It's just 8:30. कितनी धूप है यार. नहीं हो रहा है अब, बहुत गर्मी है. पसीने से मूछें बन गई मेरी. दिख रही है? ओह, आई वुड वांट टू ट्राई दिस वन. डोसा. लेट्स सी इफ इट्स ओपन. Oh, it seems open. Let's go. हाय ये होम स्टाइल डोसा ये सादा है
हाँ ऐसा रहेगा
तो थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट बनाना इसके जैसा और मसाला अलग से देना
सेपरेटली
ऊपर मत डालना
ठीक
है ना सो वन डे
और
नो नो दैट्स इट फाइनली डिसाइडेड Now it's such a small place and so many people have started coming in. The moment I entered here, there was some aroma in this place of South Indian food that I could not resist. So I decided I have to try this. Generally, I don't feel hungry for 3-4 hours after having my protein shake. But today I was roaming around, I was shooting a lot of physical work. So I think I felt hungry sooner than expected. Absolutely correct decision to come here. Look at that. But anyways, guys, I would highly recommend dosa at Juhu. You should try that. Specifically, I loved that they have made sambar with vegetables in it. For 221 rupees, you're not gonna get that kind of sambar, that kind of 4 chutneys and all of that. It was amazing. Amazing. Highly recommended. See how commercialized this is.